It's the middle of the day, and you're hit with those snack cravings. But fear not, because we've got 7 tasty treats that are not only delicious but also guilt-free. Are you ready to redefine your snacking game? Let's jump right in. 1. Greek yogurt with berries. Boost your protein and probiotics with a creamy bowl of Greek yogurt topped with a burst of fresh berries. It's like a party for your palate. The creaminess of the yogurt and the natural sweetness of the berries, it's a match made in snack heaven. 2. Vegetable sticks with hummus. Crunchy veggies meet the savory delight of hummus. Perfect for those who crave a satisfying crunch without sacrificing nutrition. Dip, crunch, repeat. It's so good, you won't believe it's healthy. 3. Nuts and dried fruits mix. A DIY trail mix that's a symphony of flavors. Nuts for protein, dried fruits for natural sweetness, it's the ultimate snack harmony. A handful of this mix, and you're not just snacking, you're indulging in a nutrient-packed masterpiece. 4. Air-popped popcorn. Skip the greasy alternatives. Air-popped popcorn with your favorite seasonings. A light, fluffy, guilt-free snack for movie nights or anytime you need that extra crunch. Trust me, you won't miss the extra butter and oil. This is popcorn redefined. 5. Avocado toast on whole grain bread. Creamy avocado meets the wholesome goodness of whole grain bread. It's not just Instagram-worthy, it's a powerhouse of nutrients. Avocado toast, because sometimes, simple is just better. Your taste buds and your body will thank you. 6. Edamame. Satisfy your snack attack with edamame, a protein-packed, poppable delight. Steamed or boiled. With just a sprinkle of sea salt, it's a snack that's as fun to eat as it is good for you. Pop, 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 it's like nature's stress ball, but edible and delicious. 7. Dark chocolate and almonds. Indulge your sweet tooth the smart way. Dark chocolate paired with almonds, a duo that's rich in flavor and nutrition. A little sweetness, a little crunch, it's a match made for snack enthusiasts like you and me. And there you have it, 7 delicious, healthy snacks that redefine the way you snack. Now, I want to hear from you. Which snack are you most excited to try, or do you have a favorite healthy snack you'd like to share? Drop your comments below.